Yeah, I understand it's frustrating. I'm looking at my screen now and there's nothing I can do. There's no more appointments. I'm sorry.
A lot of patients are frustrated. A lot of people say to Health Watch, I can't get in contact with my GP. I really need to speak to my GP. Where do I go?
With GP numbers dropping and patient numbers increasing, not being able to get through and not being able to see your GP is a common complaint for many. But now GPs across Yorkshire and Lincolnshire have signed an open letter to their patients calling for their support. In this letter they acknowledge there are problems within general practice, but they're asking patients to direct their anger at the government rather than their local surgery.
It's the abuse we're seeing, verbal abuse to the poor care navs who are actually trying to help them. We're seeing a mental health crisis amongst reception staff, amongst doctors as well. And it's gotten to a point where someone needs to have that conversation with the patients.
The campaign group behind this letter is known as Rebuild General Practice, and it wants the government to recruit and retain more GPs before the situation gets worse.
General practice is now in crisis. It's been a steady decline over several years and it's not got the support that we need really and the investment from the government. We've seen GP numbers dropping and we've seen patient satisfaction going down, we've seen patient care going down. We know this is happening and we're aware this is happening and we want to try and reverse that trend.
It was recently revealed that Hull has more than 2,000 patients for every GP, with patient groups warning that access to doctors is becoming one of the biggest problems for the NHS.
You can't get through on the phone, you can't do it on the internet, and when you finally do get through, it's 6 or 8 weeks' time.
I mean, with a good practice, and I don't have any problems.
When you have to ring at 8 o'clock in the morning, you're fighting against everybody that's trying to get through. And when you can look on your redial, and it's like, I got through on my 78th call.
The government says it's working hard to support and grow the workforce. But for now, the GPs in this area who have signed this open letter are hoping their patients will speak out and support them as the pressure of general practice continues to rise. Sarah Sanderson, BBC Look North.